to find a way to be with you.
Do you still want to run? मैं दिखाऊंगी एक दिन. People will like me. You will know, there was someone in your life who was good at something.
I relate this to my life so much. Like, I get what you're saying.
Now it doesn't matter to me. I don't care. So like my narrative was filled with like extreme drive but fear on her jhula and just like like weaving this like out of sheer like desperation. So I started believing that people don't like me because I am not good at anything.
So I've got a question for you today. What's something you wanted desperately 10 years ago that doesn't matter much to you now?
Do you have an answer to that?
Yes.
What is it?
Like, for you or for me?
For you.
10 years ago, I was working on an oil rig, hoping to get a promotion to become a directional driller. So
that was what you wanted.
Yeah, at that time, yes.
And does it matter now? Do you want to become a directional driller?
Okay. Actually, I'll re-answer that. 10 years ago, I desperately wanted to find a way to be with you. Because I was on an oil field job. And look at me now.
Do you still want to run?
I'm thinking. Obviously, I do. Yes, I really want. I got what I wanted.
So you'll know who's the thinker of the relationship based on these answers, because I'll tell you my answer.
Yeah.
My answer is fame.
Wow.
I desperately wanted to be famous 10 years ago. Now it doesn't matter to me. I don't care.
Is it because you're kind of famous now?
No. I don't think of myself as famous in any way or form.
Okay. Alright.
I don't seek fame. I don't try to do things to be famous. It is not at the back of my mind. It used to be that कि मुझे कुछ बनना है, मुझे famous बनना है. Because I thought, now looking back, wanting to be famous and needing fame is like kind of a trauma response to life.
Wow.
Right? तुम्हें
Yeah.
attention चाहिए. You want people to like you.
I never thought of it that way. Never ever thought of it that way.
I think we all have origin stories.
Huh.
Right?
Yeah.
Basically,
Yeah.
the things that our body remembers, the experiences that shape us, and the belief systems that make us, This is what your life now consists of. Because तुम्हारी origin story एक type की है. Subconsciously or consciously you're living that life.
Correct.
You're living the narrative that your brain has, that मैं ये हूँ इसलिए मेरी life ये है. Right?
Yes.
So मैं ये हूँ इसलिए मेरी life ये है. Right? तो ये क्या है? And what is this consisting of in your life? What is that self-narrative of yourself that you've built that has brought you here or has not taken you somewhere else? Or the reasons you feel a certain thing about certain things, the reason you are judgmental or non-judgmental, वो सारी चीज़ें.
Yeah.
Is basically an origin story of a person. So
It's like, what is the narrative of your life?
that you believe in your bones and body. It is not what you think. ये narrative तुम्हारे अंदर है. ये तुम्हारा behavior जो बन रहा है, तुम्हारा character जिस तरह से shape हुआ है, is the narrative in your brain, is that origin story. You might not be aware of why certain things happen to you again and again. और यही क्यों होता है और ये क्यों नहीं होता और ऐसे ही लोग क्यों मिलते हैं. It is, your narrative is taking you on a path subconsciously that you don't know. And sometimes you don't want to go on that path, but because there is a certain narrative in your brain that is making you go there, actually.
I I relate this to my life so much. Like, I get what you're saying, but tell me more. How did, like, what's your narrative on fame? Like,
So while growing up, like, I desperately wanted to be famous since I'm 15 years old, because I think I was kind of neglected as a child. I didn't have many friends. My family did not support me in the things I needed support from. तो वो ऐसा होने लगा कि मैं दिखाऊंगी एक दिन. People will like me. You will know, there was someone in your life who was good at something. ये type का, like, this bitter drive. There is this drive, but that drive is because there is revenge की भावना in you. You want to show the world or something. Wow. And वो इतना तुम अंदर रहते हो ना, that makes you angry, that makes you bitter, that makes you hate other people who have that, who you think have it. So like jealousy. For the longest, jealousy also, the longest time I hated rich people. सारे लोग अमीर हुए हैं by wrong means. ये मेरा narrative था.
I remember that conversation.
So the thing is, actually, if your narrative is like सारे अमीर लोग खराब है और गलत काम करके बड़े हुए हैं, imagine the narrative building will make you not be rich. You see that? Because you're believing that your brain is like, ये अच्छा नहीं है, वहाँ नहीं जाना है, तो पैसे आ रहे हैं, opportunities आ रही है और तुम पीछे जा रहे हो, because somewhere that narrative is withholding that life from you, because this is what you think, your body believes it.
Yeah.
And this is subconscious. You don't know कि तुम actually उसको आने नहीं दे रहे हो तुम्हारे पास.
Yeah, so I just adding to this, a lot of people believe life happens to them, but they're not realizing life is happening to them because of the narratives that they have. So that's a subtle distinction here, that your belief systems जो हैं about money or they are in a way channeling you to a place.
They are channeling you.
And if there is a flaw in your narrative, you're automatically stopped from exploring doors.
Yeah, you will not be able to reach there. You'll be like, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ? बार-बार same चीज मेरे साथ क्यों हो रही है? So for me, मेरा initial narrative was like, no one cares about me. I don't have money to do things. But मुझे इस दलदल में नहीं फंसे रहना है. I am the only one who will bring myself out of it, and I will show the world that मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, and मैं करके रहूँगी और मैं इतना अमीर बनूँगी और मैं इतना फेमस बनूँगी और मैं इतना ट्रैवल करूँगी कि लोगों को लगेगा, हे भगवान, इसने तो हमें तो पूछना पड़ेगा इस रश्मि को. We didn't even know you were so good and talented and brave. Like, these are the things. This 15-year-old Rashmi is sitting on her jhula and just like weaving this, like, out of sheer, like, desperation.
That most narratives जो हम बचपन में बनाते हैं, the double-edged swords. So your narrative that मैं दिखा के रहूँगी made you extremely driven.
Yeah.
But it also might have brought like other negative side effects like jealousy, comparison, like those kind of things, right? So it
ऐसी पीकोस नहीं हुआ है भाई. मतलब ये सब सोच के ही, like, the body was like, please stop thinking like that. And also, what happens, you grow up and they're like, दिखा के रहूंगी उसको, and then you see तुमने कुछ कर लिया, ठीक है, लोगों ने बोला हाँ गुड या नहीं बोला, but you realize that it did not affect you at all in any negative or positive way. And secondly, you could see that अरे ये भी अपनी लाइफ ही जी रहे हैं यार. They were never really bothered. वो खुद अपनी लाइफ से जूझ रहे हैं, उनके लाइफ में स्ट्रगल्स है, they are living their own life.
Yeah.
And that, like, कि दूसरे लोग सिर्फ तुम्हें गाली देने के लिए नहीं है.
Yeah.
It has changed. It is such an obvious thing.
Yeah.
But I thought, like, the world is zeroing in on me. Like, I am the target always. So, like, my narrative was filled with, like, extreme drive, but fear. Get over that initial start of my life. Burnout. I am so severely emotionally burnt out that I think मुझे पता नहीं कब ऐसे लगेगा कि आज मैं, I'm fine emotionally.
I think that was like, it's the consequence of the drive.
The fire burns you also, na? The inside that is,
wow,
right?
What a line. Fire burns. Nice.
तो खुद को भी तुम जला देते हो कभी.
Definitely stealing that.
You need to have fire for that. No. You have, like, what?
I meant the line.
You have
Not the actual fire that you keep.
I know what that fire. So
No, phenomenal. Wow. I'm very love the answer. Wow,
Yeah.
it just blew my mind. Nice. And like now I'm trying to think from my life also. Like, you know, when I was younger, right, I used to always be like 9th, 10th mein tha, I used to be pretty decent in studies. So that time only I decided ki, you know, I asked my dad when I was 9th, 10th, okay, dad, you work on oil rigs. Who earns the most in oil rigs? He's like, directional driller. Okay, that's what I want to be. Because he told me, oh, it's a crazy amount of money that they earn. I was like, fine, ठीक है. And so I was like, okay, इसके लिए उसको बनने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? Mechanical engineer, right? And at that time, the narrative was, okay, I'm good in studies. Let's do engineering. Let's do this, and let's have a good life. Let's have a life with money. I didn't have any other, because nothing was. Because I also feel that I had exposure, but not really. I think I needed to learn. I needed to live life a little to have.
I think मुझे extreme exposure था मेरी life में.
Correct. Like I think you were थोड़ा too far ahead of most people that I knew in terms of what I want to do. Is like, man, it's very complicated. How did you even have these thoughts? Like, it's complex. How are you even thinking like this? Like, you know, that used to like initially blow me. So initially that was the narrative. I'm good at studies, so I'm going to become an engineer. I did become an engineer. And then like engineering, I'll get into oil industry. I got into oil industry. I almost became a directional driller, but like I had a great time in the oil field. But that narrative could have been so different too, because when I was in 9th, 10th, I was still good at other things. I was very good at football. I loved water. Even then I loved water. My parents, they'll tell you stories of my childhood, you know.
हर पानी के बटल को देख के गोवा बोलता था.
Yeah. So
I've heard.
So and like I was 3, I गंगा में कूद गया था and all that. So I had that, and so crazy adventurous too, right? But that was never part of my narrative.
Like मेरे पास सब है ये मेरे अंदर, irrespective of all of this. And rich people are not bad. I mean, I would say not all rich people are bad. And I want to be one of those who's not bad, who's still doing good, who's able to accept money and opportunities. So, like, there was a time I had to change it. I had to work on the relationship with money and friendship and success. Because सब कुछ मिल रहा था.
But tell me, individually, what did you exactly change? Because I think other people will also very benefit from, like, what were the actual changes that you said to yourself, or the narrative that you changed in yourself?
You know, I think people, you know, क्या करना चाहिए? You have to write this down. Okay, the first experience I've had with money, क्या था वो? मेरा first experience था, जो मुझे याद है कि मैंने 6th standard में पूछा था कि अरे मुझे ये स्कूल ट्रिप पे जाना है एंड इतना अमाउंट ऑफ मनी चाहिए, एंड बोला गया कि नहीं जा सकते बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव दिस एक्स्ट्रा मनी फॉर योर ट्रिप. That was my first, which made me realize that there is something called as less money and not being able to do when friends are doing it. So it started like hating the people who are going now instead of seeing it like नहीं ठीक है, it's okay, next time जाएंगे. वैसा नहीं था. Hating. So realizing that कोई कमी थी, इस वजह से ये वाला behavior आया है. Right?
Correct.
So now that you are in a place where you are earning money, how do you let that money stick to you? You stop getting jealous of other people having money. You stop seeing people having money as just another thing. It's your colleague, it's your friend. You can have it. ये गाड़ी तो मैं भी ले सकती हूँ, इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है?
Nice.
Without like attaching a negative to it. So इसके लिए you have to write down the first memory of all these things, because I think that is the narrative. Your first memory is muddled in your narrative, in your behaving a certain way and you feeling a certain way about it. So then तुम उसे change करो. अच्छा, actually I can afford whatever I want. I can go on trips now. I earn a lot of money. I can earn money. I can earn even more money. I get money every time I want money. I always get more and more opportunities to earn money. Having money is great.
Wow.
This is the change of narrative, right?
Yeah.
So find the first memory or just the first interaction with something, money, success, friendship, parents, and then write a new one now, because you've lived life.
Yeah.
And sometimes write the ambitious one, because you can change it.
Correct,
If you're willing to, from going A point to B point, write an ambitious one if you're not there yet.
Yeah.
Because that ambitious one is what helped me start earning money and keeping it and not having to worry about it, in the sense like now I believe that मुझे जब पैसे चाहिए मुझे मिल जाते हैं. मुझे अगर कुछ चीज़ खरीदना है तो मुझे एक क्लाइंट कॉल आएगा कि hey we have this work for you and I do it. And I get the money I want. It's because पिछले 10-15 सालों से मैं change कर रही हूँ.
Yeah. So, you know, if there was ever a questionnaire I would want to have for lucky people, I would have it for you, because, like, you know, you've always told yourself you're lucky, and I've always wanted to know what makes you lucky. I think it's just the fact that you believe you're lucky.
I believe I'm lucky. I'm always lucky.
Yeah.
I'm always lucky. But this was a positive narrative that I had in life.
Yeah.
Okay, मतलब मैं बचपन में ना birthday parties में जाती थी, and somehow I would always win those stupid games. हाउसी में मेरे को फुल हाउसी हमेशा लग रही है. ठीक है, ये ऐसे 2-3 बार हुआ तो बोलने लगे घर में, अच्छा रश्मि को भेज दो यार, उसको तो सब मिल जाता है. And as a 6-year-old, that's a beautiful thing to hear.
Correct.
So there are a lot of positive narratives also, जो मुझे build करना नहीं पड़ा, वो मुझे लोगों ने build करके दिया मेरे आसपास. Because वो मुझे they start calling me lucky. I start believing I'm lucky, and lucky things kept happening to me, keep happening to me all the time. I believe if I enter a room of 10,000 people, if someone has to be chosen, it's always me.
That's why even in all airport security lines, she gets picked.
That is true.
It's worked so strong.
Who is that person who's always lucky?
And you ask her such dumb questions, like it's always...
They also don't know why they picked me. They're like, huh?
What are you doing here?
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
What do you do? Like that kind of
So funny.
mundane question. It's fun.
It is.
Yeah.
So
I'll also give you an example of how narrative building changed my life.
Yeah.
9th narrative was I am good in studies. I'm a good logical thinker. So it makes logical sense to do logical thinking,
Things.
thinking jobs, which is engineering. So engineering job, everything. And then when I lived my life a little, I was like, I got what I wanted. I'm not happy. Like the job served its purpose of giving me money, but it stopped there. It didn't give me I realized there was so many other holes in life that needed to be filled, right? And then I had to reshape the narrative in my head, because when we started C-Rats, I had no idea about photography. I had no idea about. I had to tell myself, no, Anand, you have a creative eye.
Yeah.
You are a creative person. You can do things, and then a lot of hard work went into.
So did you start saying पहले था I'm a logical person, and now you're like I'm a logical and a creative person?
Yeah.
That's the change.
Yeah. So logical person will always remain as for you, lucky as, like, you know, it's a base rock. For me, it became like, no, I'm a creative person too. I'm a very creative person.
Yeah.
So then, like, photo Lightroom, I started editing. Final Cut Pro videos, I started editing. Started adding my own taste to it, right? You know. So life changed accordingly. When you change the narratives, you start doing things and it is not as simple as अच्छा तूने तो just ये कर लिया, ये decide किया. It's not as linear. It is, you change the mindset, everything follows suit.
Self-belief was a little scattered, because I started believing that people don't like me because I am not good at anything. And that era of my life, बहुत चीजें हो सकती थी जो नहीं हुई. Then I had to forcefully. I still struggle with certain narratives, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm like, I am good at the things I work at. मैं अभी तक वो नहीं कर पाई हूँ कि मैं बस बेस्ट हूँ. वो नहीं हुआ है मुझसे. But I could like bring myself to a logical step of work towards what you want. You know, because that made sense to me.
Yeah.
So I was like, nahin, if I work on something, I get really good at it. If I work on, and then I'm like, okay, मैं कुछ सीख लेती हूँ, अच्छी बन जाऊंगी. I've not reached the point where I believe that I'm good at everything. That is my next narrative change. You know, as you grow, you keep tweaking these things because तुम्हें realize होता है कि ये नहीं चल रहा है, bro. This is something is off here. This pattern is repeating too many times.
Yeah.
That means कोई तो narrative सही नहीं है.
Yeah.
Something I'm thinking about myself that is not correct. Some memory is creeping in, or some way someone told you something. You know, कोई भी चीज तुम internalize कर लेते हो. So I just feel like writing an actual origin story, like just sit down without thinking and write 2 pages without thinking. तुम्हें पता है तुम्हारी story, and then like कुछ घंटों बाद read it, you will see the narrative you have of yourself.
Correct.
You know, because मुझे ये पता चला था कि मैं अपने आप को बहुत victimize करती हूँ when I started writing. कि मेरे साथ तो ये हुआ और उसने ये किया, मेरे साथ तो सब कुछ. It was extremely victimized statement of myself, and I'm like, I mean, yeah, some shitty things happened.
Yeah.
But this is too much of a victimization. When you are that self-victimized, everything happening around you is because people don't like you, is because people hate you. Everyone is thinking of a plot to make your life bad. ये सारे thought processes होते हैं ना, because तुम victimized हो.
Yeah.
But when you start writing the opposite of a victim thing, कि this did not happen, but something else happened because I've actually wanted that to happen to me, and not this, you know. Tweaking it.
Correct.
Helps a lot. Like,
and this is actually the kind of advice I wish I had when I was younger, to change the narrative about your life, because that would have been very helpful. Then learn something new. That's a great thing. Do that too, but this is the seed from which the rest of the plant grows.
Yeah, build your origin story, basically, right?
Yeah.
Right? Some people think that यार cheating करे बिना कुछ business नहीं होता.
हाँ.
Right?
Yeah.
Cheating करते रहते हैं वो बिना मतलब के, and then start breaking promises and not having friends, and then they're like, मैं तो क्या कर रहा हूँ, मेरे दोस्त नहीं बनते. Bro, you're doing something wrong. You believe in a very wrong thing.
Yeah.
I mean, if you believe कि doing good to people is how I do good business, everything will change.
Yeah.
Very little things. This same origin story can be passed on to like a company or a brand you're working for, where you build a similar kind of an origin story. It's easier usually because it's an inanimate thing.
Yeah.
But doing it for yourself, I think, is such a good exercise to know more and to change the course of life, to add things, to delete things.
Wow.
And to be like kinder to yourself.
Yeah.
And you know?
That way you can remove things that don't serve you anymore, like fame.
Yeah. And the funny thing is, I'm like, I don't want to be famous, and then we keep getting things. And now I'm able to just do them because I love doing it, rather than the consequence of fame. You know? It just doesn't matter because I am not craving to prove it to people. Like, kuch prove nahi karna. I'm fine in my little house. My God.
All right, guys. Thank you so much